guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have just a quick review on this wig that I'm wearing. It is from my friends over at Alipearl. If you guys have ever DM'd me, sent me an email, any of that kind of stuff, and asked me what company you should go with, or you're looking for hair, best companies, blah, blah, you know, in that, and some of y'all can vouch for me, I have definitely said Alipearl Hair. I have loved Alipearl since the moment I met them. Beautiful, beautiful hair. It's always great quality. It's always soft. It's always luscious. And I don't know, I've always liked it. All right, guys, so I am wearing the 6x6 lace wig. It is body wave, 180% density, and it is 24 inches long. So with this being a 6x6, what I mean by that is that it's not a full frontal wig, meaning it's only this amount. You only get like a good horseshoe amount of parting space. However, it's a 6x6, so this closure is a lot. It kind of gives you a little bit more options than like a 4x4 or something like that would, because you get 6 inches across here and 6 inches going back for a deep part. So that is awesome, awesome, awesome. As far as the cap size on this wig, I can't remember if it's one cap size or like, you know, small, medium, large. I can't remember, but this one is a little bit snug on my head. I could wear it. It does fit fine. So all my ladies and fellas that do have a larger size head, it does fit me just fine, but I couldn't wear it every day. That's my only thing. So tonight we are going to the Astros game. So it's not going to be that long. I can wear it for a couple hours and be fine. But it's just a little bit snug on my head. I do have the adjustable straps pretty close to each other. So I do have them tighter than normal. And I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't have done that. But whatever, it's on now, and then I'll be all right. So anyways, you guys, I was actually going to curl this hair. I was going to do a little bit more to it, and I'm still going to. I just wanted you to really see it as is, because I think it is beautiful. Like, this is the kind of body wave, this is the kind of wig, it's the kind of hair that when you buy it, you shouldn't really have to do much to it. You know what I mean? This is something that you'd want to spend your money on, because you're getting exactly what you ordered, and you don't have to put that much effort into it. And I like the density on it as well, because I don't feel like I'm going to get hot in this wig either. So this is 180% density. I do live in Houston. It was 90 degrees today, or 89, 90 degrees, and it's been raining too. So it's hot and humid, and I feel comfortable with this on. I stepped outside already and everything, and I'm not like having a fit about the curl and all that kind of stuff. There's still a little bit of body in there. It still looks good. I didn't have to do much to it. It's a winner for me. So I messed up like all up in my baby hair area. I put on a hat, so I wasn't even going to even worry about it today. That's why I think I'm going to start switching how I do my routine, like my wig routine. Just do the baby hair, do all that kind of stuff, and then do my makeup. But I don't know why I haven't been doing it like that, but whatever. It's a little messed up in here, so just ignore that for me. Other than that, you guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned, because I think I'm going to add some bangs to this at the end of this video. I don't know if I'm going to chicken out or not, but I want you guys to at least see it while it looks good, because if I F it up, then I didn't want to come on here with an effed up wig, and then there's nothing I can do about it, because I tried to add some bangs and it didn't work. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, like always, you know my normal spiel by now, questions or comments, please put them down below, and you know I'll answer you. Also, I do have a discount code for you. I'll put it maybe right here, and of course it'll be in the description box for you as well. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.